Hola and welcome to my mess. This is what we are working with right now today as we speak. This, my friend, is real life. It's just, you know, it's messy. I haven't been feeling well. I have been like disinfecting stuff on a daily basis. However, it just needs to be cleaned. The sheets need to be washed, all that great stuff. Yes, I'm washing the sheets, but I'm not putting them in the dryer because I just don't have that to do. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Tamika Rosero. She is a wife, a mother of 5, and her channel consists of home life as well. She likes to create a space where women can uplift each other, learn from each other, and just encourage one another. You will get all kinds of helpful life tips as well as so much encouragement from her channel. So please, after you watch this video, be sure to check her out. Tamika, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I truly, truly appreciate you. And I also want to tell you that you have amazing energy. You are blessed and highly favored. Today's video is all about getting some much needed organization going on in my home, as well as doing some speed cleaning. There are some things that I do daily and there are some things that I do weekly, but I just hope you leave here encouraged and blessed.
Obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. Push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard.
Making the bed was definitely a game changer. It made the room look so much better. There's just certain sides of the room that I cannot show right now because there's just private business, okay? So the next thing on the list is this. If you've been here for a while, you know that I have been on a mission to try to organize one thing per week. Yes, I said one thing per week. I just don't want to be overwhelmed and I want to do it at my own pace. Organizing is an area that I definitely need assistance in. I can clean the heck out of your house, but when it comes to organizing, I call it organized chaos and I just throw things around and, you know, make it look okay. None of my organization is ever pretty. It's not Pinterest approved. So if you are looking for that, I'm not your girl, okay?
We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see.
To all my first timers who clicked on my video for the first time ever, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. This is my home, and I love providing content and filming content pertaining to home life. If that is something that interests you, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and also show the like button some love as it helps my channel. How are you guys doing today? What have you been up to? I did not speak to you guys last week as I did not have a video that was put out, but yeah, we got to catch up. So let me know below in the comment. For me, I have a list of projects that I want to do, but I have not done them yet, but they will be coming soon. So just make sure you are subscribed and also turn that notification bell on. Oh, Kim. You are the bomb, girl. Look at that. Mom, you should be proud of me. I can't show you guys my underwear drawer because that's just not appropriate, but my drawers look good. And these down here are clothes that just need to be thrown away because they're not even worth giving to anyone. They're just like clothes that I clean with because, you know, when you clean, you're not supposed to be looking cute or anything, especially if you sweat. Just saying. Okay, so I'm going to take a poll. Here's the poll. How many times a day do you water your plants? Do you water them once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day? Do you water them every other day? Let me know. Here we go. So we are going to organize. I don't know why I keep saying we, because Kim's going to organize. Yes, I'm going to try to organize. Voila! Look how great it looks. To be honest with you, I really don't care what it looks like as long as I can find everything, but it's kind of annoying because things like, you know, when you open the cabinet and things fall out on you, Yeah, I'm not really about that life. So I'm just gonna like move things around to make it look just a little bit better. Okay, so here's what the top shelf looks like. Not bad. Wiping it off with vinegar, use whatever you want. I don't know if you can see all of the stuff back there that has fallen, or the stuff that, you know, just is thrown in there that we are just putting on top of each other. This is definitely long overdue. It has needed to be done for probably about a year. I'm not exaggerating either. So this needs washed. The bottom needs wiped out. Not bad. Like I said, I had that liner in there, so that makes a big difference. There's a great tip for you. Make sure you line your cabinets where your spices are. This was very simple to clean. I rinsed it off first, and now I'm just giving it the vinegar wipe down. But that is where the liner is, and it's a lot more cleaner. And then these just need rinsed off as well. Look how good this cabinet looks, you guys. So getting that cleaned out for me was definitely an accomplishment. I am celebrating all of my wins. This is a win. Do you know how long? Anytime I purchase a sponge, I cut it in half because I don't really need the entire sponge to clean an area. And I typically use these to clean my sink out. If you think about it, it's really cost effective to do it this way, and your sponges will last longer. Making Red Baron French bread pizza. So I'm going to cut this watermelon, put that away, straighten those things up really quickly, straighten the food up, straighten that up, and unload the dishwasher. Someone told me this ain't love. Do I have any Keep Up Crew family members who are readers? If you are, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're reading. It was suggested to me from a friend to read The 4 Agreements. I bought the book and I haven't read it yet. However, I'm going to read it soon. You've been up, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no loss. The next thing that I will be working on is the microwave. The microwave doesn't look bad on the inside. This is basically maintenance work. So the whole meaning of my channel is to show you guys how you can keep your house clean, or looking clean for that matter, throughout the week, so that you're not gonna, spend your entire weekend cleaning. I never clean like my entire house in one day. I'm way too lazy for that. And I just don't have that to do at this moment in time. What I do is I deep clean something every day. That way on the weekend, all I have to do is like straighten up. I really like breaking up the deep cleaning because it's helpful for me. So today I might deep clean the kitchen, and tomorrow I'm gonna deep clean all 3 bathrooms, you just have to break things up. To each his own, do what's best for you in your home. Don't you know I put vinegar into my spray bottle, equal parts of water, equal parts of vinegar. It's distilled white vinegar. If you want to know if vinegar works on your products, be sure to look it up online. I'm not an expert. Yes, I am. What am I saying? Okay, anyway, so what I'm doing next is the lights on my DIY stand. Let me show you my DIY stand. That's my DIY stand, and it looks so dark over there in that corner. So I have a question for you. Do any of you sometimes get impatient and rush to do things like make decisions on lighting? This is the second time I've done this, and I don't like the lighting. Okay, I don't know about these lights. To get a pot eventually and redo my tree that's in my living room because it's just too small. Let me show you really quickly. That is the tree that I'm talking about. It's gonna get a new pot. Ooh. Let's move it over here so y'all can see better. Of course I could go out and purchase another tree, but they're really expensive. Now it's time for me to sweep and mop the floor. So I was like moving this stuff out the way, and I saw this big, huge spider web. I dispersed of the spider. He is outside living his best life. So now I'm just gonna clean that off. And I'm gonna clean it off with vinegar because bugs do not like that smell. All kinds of little spider creepy crawly stuff down here. Let me show you. There's a cup of vinegar behind there. There's a cup of vinegar in plant, and there's a piece of vinegar. There's a cup of vinegar there too. So the reason that I did this is so that, so that bugs would not harass my house. And it's also good for smells. If it stinks in your house and you can't figure out what the smell is, put out a half a cup of vinegar and you will be good to go, girl.
In poetry and rhymes, just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or...
And remember, anytime you use your dustpan to disinfect it after you are finished. With a specific mop, you have to like be your cleaner sprayer person. I think it's so funny when I say that. Anyway, so I'm gonna spray my floor and then I'm gonna mop it. Also, I have to I have to re-wet my mop twice normally. Vinegar will deodorize any smell that you have in your house, whether it be food or whatever the case may be. And it also is very good to clean floors. I love to share quotes, and I read this quote and it really just blessed me. Be so busy improving yourself that you do not have time to criticize others. Here is what the living room is looking like. It's not bad. Just a couple things that I need to get picked up. We definitely need those types of quotes in social media world. You feel like you want to like spice your house up, but you might not have it in the budget to spice your house up because like gas is $1,000 a gallon. I'm just saying. So yeah, if you want to spice your house up, the first thing you can start with like little decor items around your home. I cannot go with this. Such as pillowcases. I wanted like pure white, but they didn't have pure white. This is what they look like. I'm gonna add some other things here in the next few months. I'm really excited about it. Be sure you are subscribed. Stay tuned.
If I'm not ready.
Here are the 2 pillowcases that I took off. I do not want to throw them away. I could use them during another season like Christmas, or you know, if someone in my family wants them, they can have them. So never throw your decor away because you can like switch it around your house, or you can give it away to a family member. Boom! There's your tip, girl. These vacuum lines are everything. I just feel like it makes the space look even more clean. So if your house isn't clean, fluff your pillows, vacuum your floor, it will look clean, okay? I'm giving y'all all kind of great stuff today. Anyway, my mom bought this big watermelon over here like 2 days ago, so I need to make sure that I cut it and get it in the refrigerator. First, I'm gonna sharpen my knife. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. You are the real MVP. Christmas in July is right around the corner. If only I had to show you, I'm sure you can see the watermelon splashes on the wall. There's also some on the lights, on the cabinets, on the counter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned off. Be sure to celebrate every single accomplishment that you have going on in your life. Love on yourself. It's all about knowing your worth. And when you know your worth, you treat yourself and others better. Do me a favor and just try to encourage someone in your life at least once a week. It will make you feel so good. I'm smelling nice and ripe like a fresh watermelon. Thank you so much for watching today. I have one more thing to do, so thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you are having an amazing day. Make sure you say your affirmations. I am worthy. I am enough. I am blessed. I am blessed and highly favored is what I will say. But make sure you're looking in the mirror when you say that, and say it until you feel it in the depths of your soul. Folded the clothes. They're going to be put away. Have a great day. Thanks again to Tamika for collabing with me, and I hope everyone has a great week. Bye, guys.